Finally, the final step of this process is to add the finishings. So what are the interior finishings? Well, the finishings are like all these kind of decorations, like these materials that these people are including here. So the finishings can be like, for example, this goof and that is placed here, and these columns and this kind of ceiling made also out of wood. So these are the finishings. So how do you add that? Let's say that your house is like this so far, right? Of course, you will have more floors. This is not necessarily the floor, just one floor. For your house, you will have a better design than this one, like the ones that I included in the website with the examples. So how do you add some finishings? Well, this is very easy. What you have to do here is just put instead of formas básicas or basic shapes, you have to look for a different one. So as you can see here, if you scroll down, we have a lot of different categories that you can use for your design. In this case, we will go to shapes collection. No, I'm sorry, to shape generator. So we have these generadores de formas, and we will go to todos, okay, to all of the shape generators. And then we have this brick wall, we have this wall 3D, we have also some stairs, we have this one. So it's just a matter of you checking what are the different possibilities that you can include in your design. This is completely customizable, so that you can have here a beautiful and nice architectural design. So in my case, just for this example, I'm just gonna show you how to put this as the tiles. So I'm gonna place this here in the center, and as you can see here, I have the height. So I'm gonna set it to 1 millimeter. I'm sorry, this is not the height. 1 millimeter here. Well, I think I can't, but let me place it somewhere else. Alright, so yeah, it's here. Now I'm gonna decrease the height of this. Alright, so it's 1, and then I'm gonna make it exactly the same size that I have for my surface of my house. So like this, there you are. And as you can see, if I go inside of my house, this is gonna look like the tiles of my place. There you are. So that is the way you do the tiles. Something else that you can do is, instead of just increasing the size of this, you can also add several blocks. So maybe you can have, instead of this, you can have 20, and then here 20 like this, and then you can place several of these several of these tile sections right here in the bottom part. So I just do Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I place it somewhere else. And I mean, this is one way that you can do this. Of course, you can always align both together by doing this. No, I'm sorry, this is not the one. Well, you just gotta find the one that you want to include, and then I do Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I make it match with this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I make it match with this one, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and I make it match, Ctrl V, sorry, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then I make it match, like this. So, as you can see, the appearance is different now, because it looks more like tiles, like little tiles that I can have for the inside of my house. And this is quite cool, I think. So yeah, so as you can see here, well, it's just a matter of placing them correctly. This one here, this one here, this one here, this, and so on, right? So this is the way you do this. Now, you can do the same thing for the walls. So maybe for the walls, instead of using that one, you can use the one that says brick wall, and I'm gonna place this one here. So this is gonna look way better because the appearance will be different. And here you can modify the color of this. Let's make it this color. Now let's make it, I don't know, this. Great, okay. And here you can modify a lot of different things. So maybe you can make it, you can make the tiles as small as you want, like the blocks, right? The bricks, sorry, and like this. And well, you just gotta find like one combination that looks fine. And then I will do Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and I will have this right here. Okay, so Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, and I will have this one, another one here. So Ctrl+V, and I will have another one for the other side of my house. So there you are. Okay, so it's just a matter here of making this match so that I can make it fit here. There we are. Alright, so this is the way you do it. This is the way you add the finishings, right? Cool. Now, after this, in the next video, I will explain you how to add the furniture.